Hey guys, so for this tutorial I'm going to be using this new palette that I actually got in my BoxyCharm last month, but this is the Christen Dominique Celestial Thunder palette and I've been dying to try this, so I'm finally going to be trying it out today. So the first color I'm going to be using is going to be this eyeshadow called Storm Dust, and I'm just going to be applying this on my crease. Alright, so now I'm going to be doing a cut crease, but it's not a regular cut crease. It's actually like a winged out cut crease, you know? I don't know how to explain how to do this cut crease, but I'm pretty sure you guys already know. But I really wanted to do something different, and I feel like I haven't done a cut crease like this in a while, so I decided to do it today, and I really like it. For my eyelid color, I'm going to be applying this eyeshadow called Eternal Light, and I'm placing this all over my entire eyelid. And I'm also going to be doing my eyeliner. I really wanted to do a red eyeliner today because, of course, you know, it's Christmas inspired, so I went for it and I like it. I feel like it really completed the look. So let me know what you think about this look. And for lashes, I'm going to be using the Thelashbar LA lashes in the style Craze, and I do have a discount code which will be on the screen, so you guys could save some money. Moving on to primer, I'm going to be using this Wonder Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Oil, and I'm going to be priming my face. I've been using a lot of oils lately because my face has just been so dry, so I've been sticking with oils and I really like it. It makes my face really glowy. For foundation, I'm going to be using my Nars Natural Radiant Foundation, and this is also a glowy foundation, which I love because this weather is crazy, and like I said, my skin has been really dry, so I don't want anything matte right now. I'm going to be using the Benefit Cakeless concealer, and I love this concealer. It's full coverage and it blends super smoothly, and I already went through 2 of these concealers. That's how much I really like it. For bronzer, I'm going to be using this bronzer by Becca, and I don't know the name of it because it's kind of hard, but I'll list it down below. And I'm also going to be contouring my nose and applying a little bit of blush. For my lipstick today, I'm going to be using this liquid lipstick by Anastasia, and I love this color. This is in the shade Stripped. Now I'm going to be setting my makeup, and after that is done, I am all finished with this makeup tutorial. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up before you leave, and make sure you follow me on all my social medias. Everything will be listed down below. So I'll see you guys on my next video.